Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Confirm the Nest has power and the screen responds. Once the display is active, make sure you know the Wi-Fi name and password so reconnection is quick. Note the thermostat model and any wiring labels behind the ring. This prevents confusion later. If you're on a heat pump or multi-stage system, pause to photograph the wiring. That keeps settings intact if you return. Press the thermostat ring to wake it. Then turn to open the Quick View menu. Let's continue. Now you perform the factory reset. Press the ring, choose Settings, then scroll to Reset. Once there's Select Factory Reset, this removes schedules, accounts, and Wi-Fi, so confirm only when ready. You do this because a full reset clears misconfigured settings that cause connectivity or sensing errors. After confirming, the Nest reboots. Expect about 5 to 10 minutes for the unit to erase data and restart. Make sure the HVAC power remains on during this window, otherwise the process can fail. Once rebooted, follow the on-screen setup to reconnect Wi-Fi and sign into your Google account. This restores remote control and updates. Reconfigure equipment settings and verify the thermostat senses temperature correctly before restoring schedules. If the Nest won't connect or behaves oddly, make sure wiring is secure and then power cycle the system by turning the breaker off for 30 seconds. This clears residual faults. If problems persist, note the error message and consider contacting support with your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.